In front of me is OPPO Reno13 FS 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now click on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom right corner, and tap on all of your photos you wish to add. If you can't find them here, select Folders, look for your photos, tap on a chosen one, and then do exactly the same with all the other ones you wish to add. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!